Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Blazer key fob here. It works for these models. You don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side of the fob you see this small button right here. Now when you see this button, press it, and when you press this button, pull this mechanical key out. This one. Now, when you remove the mechanical key, and when you turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down, this here is the back piece, right on this side, right here, you see this hole. Now, right in this hole, take the mechanical key and with the tip here, insert the tip right in this hole like this and twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. So when you separate the fob into two pieces like this, right here, you see your old dead battery right here. To remove the battery, take the small flat screwdriver, or you can use the mechanical key over here, and with the tip, insert here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery, and when you do that, make sure this here is the negative side. See? This side here is the negative side. This step here is very important. Now when you insert your new battery over here, take the two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and snap them together. Now when you snap them together, take your mechanical key over here again and insert it back in the fob like this, just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.